All right. Hi, I'm John. I'm here with Roger today from Rockport Automation. So, Roger, what do you do every day?
Well, I'm the VP of engineering, and we do integration, we do automation. We are specialized in inspection systems combined with robots.
Right.
We have several examples out there. My role is, because we're a smaller company, I have numerous different roles, numerous
Right.
different heads, from business development to engineering to
Right.
then passing it on and overseeing project management,
Right.
all the way up to customer interaction, all that other stuff.
And so, what customers do you service today typically? What industries are you servicing in? Medical,
It we are,
automotive?
yeah, everything.
Yeah.
Automotive. We have Department of Defense projects. We have airspace
Right.
products. We have automotive. We have pharmaceutical, less so, but it doesn't really matter. We are
Right.
agnostic because anybody who actually has an assembly need or an inspection need,
Right.
we could potentially service their needs.
And where are you based today?
We are in Murrieta,
Okay.
California, next to Temecula. That's Southern
Awesome.
California.
Awesome. Awesome. And so, the last question is for you: advice for new grads. What are you looking for is both soft and hard skills for new graduates interested in working at Rockport?
New grads, what I always tell new engineers is be interested to learn.
Yes.
There is so much stuff out there to learn. Get away from your phone,
Right.
go learn, because there's
Yes.
so much stuff out there you guys can learn. It is in like on YouTube, you can learn so much on YouTube.
Yes.
But be open. Be like when you come in, we have Nick over there. He's a newly grad, and he's now
Yes.
with the company for a year. He's one of these dream applicants basically, because he was like, hey, can I help you here? Hey, can I do this? Hey, can
Yeah.
I help you there?
Exactly.
And then even he brings all the new technology that I'm not familiar with.
Right.
He
Right.
brings that to my table, and
Right.
we'll talk about this. I mean, we have a 3D printing department. He loves that stuff. I'm like, yeah, it's just, can
Right.
you print this, please?
Right.
And he does all that stuff,
Right.
which is a huge add-on. If you can help a company to be um, more productive, that's huge for a new grad, because you guys learn all the new stuff that I have to go and dig up.
Exactly.
And I have to get out of my comfort zone to learn something new.
Right.
So if that is something that you can bring because you have been exposed to it, awesome. I
That's
mean,
amazing.
they was bringing some more software programs that, like,
Right.
Roger, have you seen this? Like, no, but can it do? Like, I don't
Right.
know, but I'm still open to learn. Like, hey,
Right.
this is awesome. Yeah,
Right.
let's implement that over here or over there. So that's
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 awesome.
what the new grads can bring to the table.
Right.
The willingness to learn and the humbleness to actually learn from us older
Yes.
guys.
Yes.
Because
Absolutely.
we've been around as well. We have done one or two machines in our life.
Right. How do people showcase that to you? How do they showcase either humility or like willing to get hands dirty and work on projects? Would it be sending you maybe a video of something they worked on themselves in the garage?
You guys, a lot of the new grads. I mean, Nick, for instance, he brought me a lot of the stuff, even in videos. Look, Rock, this is what we've done. So
Yes.
we went to lunch, and then, have you seen this? Like, no, show me that.
Right.
And then this is awesome. This you can probably use in our world as well.
Right.
There again,
Right.
all this, like, I have done this, and then the humility is like, because when you work in our world,
Right.
it's not your design. It's
Yes.
not your. It's our design.
It's a team
and
effort.
Team effort. We have
Right.
to. And when we look at a design that you made or a code that you wrote, whatever
Right.
it is, as a company, we have to look at that. Does it make sense at the
Right.
end for our end customer?
Right. Right.
And you have to be humble enough to say, when we say, "Hey, have you thought about this or have you done that?" Then it's not that I'm critiquing your design.
Right.
I'm critiquing it as my end customer. Can you make something? Can you do it a little bit different? And not like, no, this is me. I want to do it this way.
Right. Right.
No, just be humble and say, okay, I have to do that.
Yes.
I present my design to the end customer during design review, and then we need this and this. Ah, okay, yeah, let's do it.
Right. Right.
It's just like, okay, it's not against you. It's just, so we learn a lot. It's like, no, I have to show him that I can do all this. No,
Right.
not in my world.
Right.
In my world, it's like, oh, okay, yeah, I forgot about that, but that's good. And don't dig in. It's not.
Right.
It's worse if you actually try to dig in and defend your solution to the umpteenth degree.
Right.
There's no need to.
Right.
I'm not critiquing you. I'm
Right.
critiquing your design.
This is really good advice. So basically, two things. One is able to do hard projects, team projects, not just on your own. And two is humility. You know, you come from school where it's always your idea, your design. Get over that. It's about the team's design, what's best for the team and the customer.
Yep.
And learning that is a really crucial skill for working at a place like Rockport.
And being willing to go the extra mile.
Yes.
There is a piece of whatever is on the floor. Don't walk over it.
Right.
It's your environment. Pick it up, throw
Right.
it away. I do that. If there needs to be something like the floor needs to be swept,
Right.
I'll pick it up.
Right.
I have
Exactly.
a title that I probably shouldn't be doing it, but it doesn't matter.
Right. Right.
Right? But it's
Right.
still our company.
Right.
And if there is like, we're not working from 8 o'clock till 5 o'clock. We'll work when we have to work until it's done.
Yes.
And that's, I mean, again, you get so much exposure, like try to get the most out of it.
Right. Right.
Yeah.
This is awesome. So, last thing, are you hiring today? And if so, advice to people at home watching this, you know, who should apply to your company?
We're actively looking for electrical and controls engineers.
Awesome.
Somebody that can take sensors, motors, and that stuff, the controls, build the controls. We will, again, this is all, we don't expect someone that has 10, 15 years experience.
Totally.
We have that. We just, again, we want to pass on our knowledge, how
Exactly.
we're going to do it, how our company does it. But we need to have someone that has that background
Yes.
and then the willingness to learn
Exactly.
and then to grow with the company.
Yes.
That's right now, we're a little bit further away to actually design engineers.
Right.
It's also in the automation world, it's very rewarding because you can be very creative, but it's also a little bit of a niche.
Yes. Yes.
And that's going to come up. We have assembly technicians or technicians in general.
Yes.
That's something, but this is maybe also another area that a newly grad wants to start because
Yes.
very often you guys have learned everything in the books.
Yes. Exactly.
But you have
That's
not
a core
had the
problem today.
hands-on.
Exactly.
So we can offer that as well.
That's
and then
awesome.
We can, especially when somebody is showing all this interest,
Right.
we will take them and move them up
Exactly.
because of
Yeah.
what we need. And every company does that more or less.
Exactly. Exactly.
And
Well,
if
actually,
you
no.
don't, then get out of there.
That's actually, it's a unique, honestly. I think a lot of companies don't invest in that, and that's why I think you're unique because you're actually investing in your people.
I don't know if I'm unique,
Right.
but I've been very successful with that.
Yes.
And again,
Which is unique in its own way, being successful.
maybe, yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, Roger, it's a pleasure. Thank you. Appreciate
John,
that.
thank you very much.